Hi guys, I'm Amy.
And I'm Brittany.
From the Postech team. Brittany, do you know what is a thermal pile?
I do, but Matthew at head office can explain it so much better than me. So let's go check out what he has to say. So Matthew, can you explain to us what a thermal pile is?
Absolutely. So thermal piles are actually a process that we do here, which is insulating the inside of the pile. So we can all agree that a pile acts sort of as a chimney. So if there's nothing in there, the heat can just escape from the ground and get frost at the base. What we did is we put in thermal insulation on the inside of the pile, preventing any frost movement from the ground and preventing it from freezing at the base. That way you get a more solid pile and something that won't move.
Wow, you guys really thought of it all, didn't you?
We certainly tried.